Integration API development involves creating APIs that enable different systems, applications, and data sources to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. Integration APIs are typically designed to provide a standard interface that allows different systems to interact with each other regardless of the underlying technologies or platforms. Here are some key considerations when developing integration APIs. Design for scalability. Integration APIs should be designed to handle large volumes of data and support high levels of concurrency to ensure that they can handle increasing demands. Use standard protocols. Integration APIs should use standard protocols like REST or SOAP to ensure compatibility with different systems and applications. Focus on security. Integration APIs should be designed with security in mind, incorporating measures like encryption, authentication, and access control to ensure data privacy and prevent unauthorized access. Provide monitoring and management capabilities. Integration APIs should be designed to provide monitoring and management capabilities, allowing developers to track data flow, identify performance issues, and manage endpoints. Test thoroughly. Integration APIs should be tested thoroughly, both in isolation and in the context of the larger systems they are integrated with, to ensure that they work as expected and can handle different scenarios. Integration APIs can be developed using various programming languages and frameworks, depending on the project's requirements and the development team's expertise. Some popular frameworks for developing integration APIs include Node.js with Express.js, Python with Flask or Django, and Ruby on Rails. To learn how to develop integration APIs using Node.js, you can follow these steps. Learn the basics of Node.js. Before you start building integration APIs, it's important to understand the basics of Node.js. You can start by learning about the core modules, asynchronous programming, and callbacks. Learn about Express.js. Express.js is a popular Node.js framework that is commonly used for building APIs. You can start by learning about the basic structure of an Express.js application, routing, middleware, and error handling. Understand RESTful API design. RESTful APIs are a common approach for building integration APIs. You should learn about the principles of RESTful API design, including resource identification, HTTP methods, and response formats. Implement CRUD operations. CRUD, create, read, update, delete. Operations are the basic operations that are performed on data. You can learn how to implement CRUD operations using Node.js and Express.js. Use middleware for authentication and validation. Middleware functions can be used to add authentication and validation to your integration APIs. You can learn how to use middleware functions to validate input, authenticate users, and handle errors. Use a database. Integration APIs typically require a database to store and retrieve data. You can learn how to connect to a database using Node.js and use an object relational mapping, ORM, library like Sequelese to interact with the database. Test your API. Testing is an important part of API development. You can use tools like Postman or Jest to test your integration API. There are many resources available online to help you learn how to develop integration APIs using Node.js. Some popular resources include the official Node.js documentation, the Express.js documentation, and online courses and tutorials on platforms like Udemy and Pluralsight. There are many Udemy courses available for learning how to develop integration APIs using Node.js. Here are some highly rated courses that you might find helpful. Node.js, Express, MongoDB and more. The Complete Bootcamp 2021. This is a comprehensive course that covers everything from the basics of Node.js and Express.js to advanced topics like authentication and database integration. The course includes 57 hours of video content, multiple coding exercises, and a certificate of completion. Node.js API Masterclass with Express and MongoDB. This course focuses on building RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. It covers topics like routing, middleware, authentication, and database integration using MongoDB. The course includes 11 hours of video content, multiple coding exercises, and a certificate of completion. Build a backend REST API with Node.js and MongoDB. This course covers the basics of building RESTful APIs using Node.js and MongoDB. It includes topics like CRUD operations, authentication, and error handling. The course includes 5 hours of video content, multiple coding exercises, and a certificate of completion. All of these courses are highly rated by students and provide a comprehensive introduction to building integration APIs using Node.js. You can choose the course that best suits your needs and learning style. Question: any free courses for this? Yes, there are free courses available for learning how to develop integration APIs using Node.js. Here are some resources you can check out. Node.js and Express REST API. This is a free course available on FreeCodeCamp that covers the basics of building RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. It includes topics like routing, middleware, authentication, and error handling. RESTful Web API Design with Node.js. This is a free course available on Pluralsight that covers the basics of RESTful API design using Node.js. It includes topics like resource identification, HTTP methods, and response formats. Building RESTful Web APIs with Node.js and Express. This is a free course available on LinkedIn Learning that covers the basics of building RESTful APIs using Node.js and Express.js. It includes topics like routing, middleware, and error handling. All of these resources provide a solid introduction to building integration APIs using Node.js, and they are completely free. You can choose the resource that best suits your needs and learning style.